How's everybody doing? This is Joey from JJTHC, and today I will be showing you how you can control any outlet in your house just with a remote from ETekCity. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. I bought these ETekCity outlets a long time ago on eBay for cheaper than Amazon usually sells them for, and what came was 5 outlets and 1 remote control. I then found another listing from someone who was selling 4 outlets and 1 remote control. I have a total of 9 outlets and 2 remotes, which is perfect for what I need. In my room, I like the idea of ambient lighting from LED strips and lamps instead of one big light source coming from the center of the room. It just looks bland and something that isn't that productive. When I bought these outlets, I also bought some LED strips and 1 colored light bulb for my room that I was able to control from anywhere in my room from this remote control system that I also had just bought. The colored light that I got was an Elgato Ava, which I do have a review on it if you want to check it out. Just click the card in the corner. To demonstrate plugging in the outlet into an outlet and then plugging it into a simple lamp, to pair the outlet to a certain number on the remote, hold the button on the side of the outlet until a light starts to blink, and then click on the button on whatever number you want the outlet to be programmed to. Then it's as simple as clicking the on and off button for the lamp to, well, you guessed it, turn on and off. To unpair the outlet, take the outlet and unplug it from the wall and start holding the button, and while still holding the button, plug it into the wall, and after a couple of seconds it should start to blink. That means it's been unpaired from any controllers it's ever been connected to. Now that it's over, I ran into a problem of the outlet taking up a lot of space and blocking the other outlet so that I could only have one thing plugged into the series of outlet that is available. ETekCity had their thinking caps on because they also sell 1-foot extension cables that go perfectly with the outlets. This ensures that you can use both the outlet and you're not just wasting another outlet because you just want to control it with a remote. So far, I'm very satisfied with my purchase of the ETekCity remote controllable outlets, and I can recommend them for you to go out and buy some if you're into lighting rooms with lamps and LEDs. This also just doesn't have to be targeted for lamps and LEDs. If you're one of those power saving freaks and you unplug every appliance while it's not in use, get yourself these outlets and your job just got easier. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and share the video. You can check out all my social links down below or on the screen right here. This has been Joey from JJTHC, and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.